Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Again today we came here to study some algebraic formulas derivation. We all of the know the formula of algebraic and we don't know the how it is derived. So simply we will take the condition a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square means we know that a square, simply a square means a into a, means multiple of a and a. So a into a equals to a square. In same way the condition is a plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b, because a square equals to a into a. In same way now we will multiply the term 1a plus b with a and b. So we have taken the a and multiplied with a plus b, again plus b multiply with a plus b. In same way it is in multiplication form. So the product, by multiplying it, we will get a into a square, again plus plus plus. In algebra one rules is there, we have to always multiply the sign. That's why again plus 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 a into b, ab, again plus plus b into a, you can write ba or ab, it means that ab, again plus 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 b into b, that is b square. In same way the like term av and ab is added, that's why it is 2ab. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So hence this is the formula of a plus b whole square, and it can be derived in this process. In same a minus 2 whole square means we know that a square means a into a. In same way a minus b whole square means a minus b into a minus b. So we will multiply the term a minus b into a minus b. So with a we will multiply a minus b, again with minus b we will multiply a minus b. So multiplying this term plus plus plus, that's why no need to write plus. So a into a square, again plus minus minus a into b, ab, again minus plus minus, so b into a, ba, or you can write ab. So minus minus again plus, so b into b, b square, so a square. Now minus ab, we can write minus 2ab. We have learned the simple addition rule, that's why a square minus 2ab plus b square is the required formula of a minus b whole square. In same way a square minus b square, we know the formula, that is a plus b and a minus b. So just we are doing this one from formula only, from the required equation, or we can say required formula. So a plus b into a minus b. So we will multiply this term with a minus b, again with plus b, again a minus b. So a into a square plus minus minus a into b, ab, again plus 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 b into a, ab, again plus minus minus b square. That's why the opposite ab and ab, one is in inverse and one is in one is in positive and one is in negative. That's why we will cut that one. So we will get a square minus b square. So this was the very simple formula of algebraic, how it has been formed, yes, how it has been came, so we can understand this one. So thank you for watching the videos. Please like and subscribe the channel for more information.